Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to the second day with lesson 1.8, right? Remember, you either have this screen up so that you can see it, or you have this printed out. So it was up to you. Okay. And we worked with all of our muffin codes. And actually, I can show you what we did yesterday because we were talking about how each one of these was worth a different number, right? So these boxes were worth 27 muffins, these worth 9, these worth 3, and these worth 1. Okay, and we spent time going over that. Then you had some um, to do on your own. So we're going to talk about we're going to actually look at some work from past students, and you are going to kind of get to determine what things you like there, and I'll show you as well, and what things could be better, right? Because our goal today here is to make our work better, to improve our work. And I'll tell you how we're going to do that. So here's a sample student's work, and you can see did a nice job labeling these and actually even split the place values, right? I really like that. And as I go down here, they have for an order of 32 muffins, what would Marcus write on the order form? And so they picked one group of 27, and you can see they wrote that right here. No groups of 9. Now, one thing that might have made this a little easier for them is if they wrote these numbers on the top here, 27, 9, 3, and 1. Just would help. So no groups of 9. All right. Two groups of 3. So they wrote two groups of 3 and one group of 1. So their ideas were correct. But as I look at this, 27 plus 3 equals 30, plus 3 more equals 33, plus 1 more equals 34. So we actually have a problem in our calculation. So something here isn't quite right. So this student would want to go back and work on this problem a little bit more to figure out why they have that. Okay. Now down here, how many muffins are in an order with this code? 27 groups, two groups of 27. I see those here. Two groups of 1. I see that here. 36 muffins. So they labeled their answer, right? Not just 56, but 56 muffins. What could make this better? A sentence right here, right? Or maybe a group of sentences, or a drawing, right? A diagram. Just having the math problems is a start, but it needs to be better. And so this student on this one should add that. All right, let's look at another one. Okay, labeled these on top again. Gotta like that. And then put these in here. Interesting. So again, I would have really written on top of these. And one group of 27 is here. Good. One group of 3 adds to 30 and 2 extras. So this math looks pretty good, right? Explain or show. Really, again, right? Sentence right here. Look at all this space. And if you have space, you want to make sure that you work with some of that space to draw a picture or to write a sentence. And then down here, this person has the same answer as the last person, but no explanation here, right? So same kind of issue. So I think we've got one more here we could look at, but I think we've covered pretty much what we need to. Same kind of problems where the math looks great on this one, but I would really like to see some sentences that explain what they did. So what you're going to do today, this is going to be kind of short. You're going to use a color to make your work better. Okay, so think about what color you could use: a green colored pencil, a blue crayon, a red pen, whatever. So you're going to grab a color and you're going to make your work better. So what would this person, we didn't look at this one very long, but what would this person need to add to their work in order to make this better? What could they add? You tell me. Hey, what'd you say? Did you say write a sentence to explain? Yep. Did you say draw a picture to explain? Yep. Did you say label the place values here? Yep. Those would all work, and maybe you came up with something else that would work as well. So on your paper, same paper, you're going to take the same paper, you're going to write on it by adding or changing things based on what you saw here. right? We spend 2 days here to work on something kind of difficult so that we end up with a really good answer at the end. And then you'll share this paper the same way that you always do. Okay. All right. That is all for today. Remember to use that color. Please reach out if you have any questions, and good luck.